Take charge of your portfolio with TradeStation HUB. Welcome to a new way to trade, where your account and your strategy come together in one place. TradeStation's HUB is no longer just for accessing statements and tax documents. You now have full access to your portfolio, including trading. Let's say Apple is set to report earnings after the bell and you anticipate a rally. From HUB, you click Trade and look for a call vertical to place a bullish spread while managing risk. You fine-tune your order settings, then click Review and Buy to place your trade, all within seconds. So whether you're entering a new position before earnings, adjusting a multi-leg strategy, or managing a futures contract, HUB provides you with direct access to the markets through a unified interface designed for fast and informed decisions. Let's suppose the next day the market doesn't rally as expected. So you head to the portfolio section to monitor your position and decide to close the vertical spread. With a few clicks, you exit the trade, maintaining control and clarity even when the market moves against your setup. From Portfolio, you can view real-time P&L, close trades, check order status, or modify open orders, all within a clean, organized layout that supports quick decisions and precise control. And when your strategy calls for deeper analysis or advanced execution, transition into Titan X. Start in HUB with a quick account check or routine updates, then move into Titan X for full customization and professional-grade tools. Together, they form a connected trading experience that adapts to how and where you trade.